Hi everyone, this is Ravikumar Goduru. Today we are discussing about what is liveness probe in Kubernetes. You might aware the same functionality in our Windows and Linux environment level, but here the naming convention is different, the same functionality in the Kubernetes level. Today we are going to discuss the same thing. Okay, so the liveness probe in Kubernetes is a mechanism. Actually, just a moment. Mechanism used to check whether a container is still running and held. If the liveness probe fails, Kubernetes will take action to restart the container, thus ensuring that a malfunctioning application can be recovered without manual intervention. So we use the same technique in Windows and Linux level, right? In Windows, we used to use service and Linux level systemd. So there we can bring up the nodes auto restart whenever it went down, or if any maintenance activity restart the server or node. The same functionality will be performed here with the help of liveness probe. Okay. This is particularly important for long running applications where you want to avoid a stale or stuck states. Okay. So how liveness probe work? So mainly it will be checked health checks. Based on health checks level, as part of health check, it will be check HTTP GET, TCP sockets, and exec commands result. Based on the success and failure status, it will be con- consolidated that what is the current status of the container. Okay. HTTP GET sends an HTTP request to the specified endpoint of the container. The container is considered healthy if the successful response is written, that is 200 response. Okay. Now coming to the TCP socket checks if specific port is open and accepting connections. If not, it will be treated it is not accessible. Okay. And exec command runs a specified command inside the container. If the command exists with a status code of 0, the container is considered held. Okay. Configurations options for liveness prop. Here mainly we used to use these 5 options. Those are, mainly initial delay seconds, timeout seconds, period seconds, successful threshold, and failure threshold. Let's we check in the sample file level how these options been defined and what is the use of it. Okay. When coming to the last points, you can see that right slash health is the path component level. It means it is a domain name to access the particular application, and on port number 8080 codomain, I mean to say. Okay, initial delay seconds. You can see here, right? Initial delay seconds. It means how long to wait before starting the props. Okay, the other property is period seconds. The period seconds means how often to perform this prop. Okay, and timeout seconds. Timeout seconds mainly the duration to wait for the probe to respond. Another one, failure threshold. Failure threshold means the number of failures that are allowed before the container is deemed unheld. Okay. In this example, liveness probe checks the slash health endpoint of application every 10 seconds. You can see this, right? Endpoint is slash health. It will be checked application every 10 seconds. You can see that period seconds. It starts probing after an initial delay of 30 seconds. You can see that, right? Initial delay of 30 seconds. And if the probe takes longer than 5 seconds to respond, it's considered a failure. You can see this, right? Timeout seconds is 5 seconds is defined. The last one is After three consecutive failures, Kubernetes will restart the container. Here you can see that defined, right? How many consecutive failures after it should be restart. Here we mentioned three. Okay. By utilizing Liveness Probe, you can maintain the robustness and reliability of applications running in a Kubernetes environment, allowing to better handling of unexpected failures. Okay. Okay. Thank you, everyone.